Hi guys, this is just a quick operational video of our electric trike. Firstly, the batteries. The batteries are located behind the seat, and to charge these batteries, just to the left of the key is a little latch there. Move that latch and then you can see there's a point to put the 3-pin charger, which is included with the trike. The batteries can be left in the trike to charge, or if you want to take the battery out, you just need to release the seat. There's a little latch there that you lift up, and that will flip the seat forward. Now to release the battery, you can see currently they're locked in with this little pin here. To release that, you turn the key round once, and then once it's round to that off position, press it in and turn it round. And this, as you can see, will release that lock there and you can pull it out. To lock it again, just turn the key round and you can see it locks it into the trike. Now in terms of the basic operational features of these electric trikes, you've got your little control panel there on your left hand side. To turn the trike on, hold down that M key for 2 seconds and this will light up. The display shows a few things. At the top you've got your energy bar. That is your battery level. So at the moment you can see it is full, but as you use the trike, the battery will deplenish and those bars will disappear. Under that you've got the speed setting. So this gives you an indication of how fast you're going when you're out cycling. Under that is your pedal assist sensor level. Now this is probably one of the more important things on an electric trike or bike. This particular trike has 9 levels. So level 1 means that's your least amount of assistance. So if you want more assistance, press the up arrow here and you can see it toggles through the various levels. Now level 9 is when essentially the motor's doing all the work for you and you're just rotating your feet on the pedals. You'd only really use level 9 if you're climbing up a hill or a steep gradient, because it does use the battery a lot faster. Typically most people have it on level 2 or 3, and this is going to make sure you prolong the battery life and give you the maximum amount of range from a battery charge. Under that we've got the kilometres, which is your total Ks ridden. They do have trip counts, and to find out how far you have ridden or to set a trip, quickly press that M key here. You can see trip A by pressing it again, trip B, and then back to total Ks. Now to reset a trip count, what you need to do, go to trip A or trip B. Once you're there, press the M key and the down button quickly and that will reset to 0. Now on the left here you have your throttle feature. Now this is your fully electric feature, so no pedalling is required. To activate the throttle, make sure you are in at least PAS level 1 and press the throttle down, and this will move the trike forward. It doesn't matter what PAS level you're in, you're going to get the same amount of power on level 1 or 9. It's just a default electric feature and you're going to get a fixed amount of assistance. This is used more for taking off at the lights, or if you want to have a cruise control, you don't feel like pedaling, you can use this feature. However, it will use the battery a lot faster by using this throttle. Now this little red button here on the left also is your reverse feature. So to go in the reverse in the trike, press that in and then press the throttle and the trike will move backwards. Just be wary that it will move the pedals backwards as well, so just be careful that your feet are firmly on the pedals when you are going backwards. Make sure that you click that out of reverse when you're finished. Now you've got your brakes on both sides, which are these brake levers here. They all have what they call as automatic cut off. So as soon as you press the brakes, the motor will cut off, and that's a safety feature most electric bikes and trikes have. On both sides you've also got a little park brake function. So to activate the park brake, press the brake in and click that little latch over, and that will lock the brakes. So handy if you're parking on a slight slope or a gradient and the trike's not going to roll away. Make sure you do that, and you've got one on both sides there. To release the park brake, press it in and it will release. On the right hand side here you've got your gears, you've got 7 speeds and you've just got 1 shifter. So to go down you press that one there, to go down a gear, to go up a gear you just click that over there, and that's how you go up and down. Now basically that's the general features of how to use our Wattwheels electric trikes. There is a more advanced video which will come shortly on how to change the power levels and change the assistance levels, but yeah, at the moment that's our basic video. If you did have any more questions, please contact Wattwheels directly or your local retailer. Thanks very much.